Hello lovely people, welcome once again to Ebenezer's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my waakye stew using my all-purpose tomato-based stew. Let's get right into it. To my pressure cooker, I'll add in cow feet and cow skin, a tablespoon of salt, water. I'll give it a quick mix, cover and allow it to cook for about 35 minutes. To a pot, I'll also add in my turkey, beef, and goat meat, all-purpose seasoning, salt and beef bouillon, chopped onion. I'll give it a quick mix, and then I'll cover and allow it to steam in its own juice for about 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes. I'll check on the meat, give it a quick mix, and then I'll add in hot water. You can add in cold water if that's what you have available. I'll cover and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. I'll check on the meat and then I'll remove the meat out of the stock and then I'll set the stock on the side. To a separate pot, I'll add in my oil. I'll allow the oil to heat up and then I'll begin to fry my meat. I will add in onion for flavor and I'll be frying this to my preferred brownness. My meat is almost done frying. I'll give it a quick stir and then I'll remove the onions out of the oil. I'll be using it for something else in the future. Meat is well fried. I'll remove it from the oil and then set it on the side. To the same oil, I'll add in my seasoned and floured fish. I'll throw in some onion and dried rosemary for flavor. I'll allow it to fry until it is well done. If you have not watched my all-purpose tomato-based stew, I'll make sure to leave a link in my description for you. It is easy to make, time-saving, and you can use it for any tomato-based stew recipe. My fish is all done frying. I'll remove it from oil and then I'll set it on the side. To the same oil, I'll add in 1 large sliced onion. I'll give it a stir and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. And then I'll come in with my all-purpose tomato-based stew. This is about 5 pounds of tomato stew or 9 cups of tomato stew. I'll give it a quick mix and then I'll add in my meat stock. This is where all the flavor is. I'll give it another stir, cover and allow this to simmer for about 30 minutes, stirring periodically. If you're new to this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe, like and comment, share, hit that post notification so anytime I upload a video, you'll be one of the first to be notified. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to support. I appreciate you. My stew has been cooking for about 30 minutes. I'll add in my herring's powder or fish powder and then I'll give it a stir. I'll cover and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. At this point in time, I'll add in my cow skin and cow foot and my fried assorted meat. I'll also add in green habanero pepper for garnish and flavor, and then I'll give it a good mix. And as you can see, there's so much oil settled on top. I'll go ahead and skim all the oil off, and then I'll be using it for something else in the future. I'll cover and allow it to simmer on low heat while I check on my waakye. Eggs are boiling. Waakye is also ready, and I cannot wait to enjoy this, guys. This is going to be a delicious meal for dinner. So waakye is ready. Stew is also ready. I'll give it a final stir and I'm ready to serve. I'm not a big fan of adding my eggs and fish into the waakye stew, but you can do that if that is how you like yours. On this plate, I have my waakye or rice and beans, spaghetti, gari with scallion, have my eggs, fish, my waakye stew, yes, and then my salad, and there's no waakye without shito, okay guys? And I'll be sharing this shito recipe with you guys very soon. You're all invited. Let's join hands and eat this waakye dinner, okay? Thank you guys so much for staying with me until this time. Please kindly like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and hit that post notification so anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you. God bless you. And please stay safe. Bye, guys.